this is stepper motor. We have fed into it the operation codes, and now I'm going to demonstrate how it works and how can its speed change, how we can also reverse its direction. Right now it is set to move in a clockwise direction. How? I'm going to show you. So G2000, this is the starting address from where we have fed the operation codes. After this I'll have to press shift plus 4 and it will start executing. You can see it is moving clockwise. Now if I want to change its speed, then I will be changing the data or basically the operation codes at specific memory locations. It is as follows. You can see that it is moving with a greater speed. Now I have tried other codes as well to change speed. If I try FF, it moves. It takes small steps. At 00 also it takes very small steps. Now how to change its direction? If I want to reverse it from clockwise to anti-clockwise, then at these positions we had used the codes FA, F6, F5, F9. We have to reverse it. FA replaced with F9, FA goes to F9, F6 and F5 will also be interchanged. So 2004 has the code 3E, FA comes in 2005 which succeeds 2004. Similarly 200B is succeeded by 200C. So 200C, if it has F6 then it will be interchanged with F5. If it has F5 then it will be interchanged with F6. Right now it is in clockwise direction. This code is for anti-clockwise. 2005. F9 is the current data. It will be interchanged with FA. Starting address 2000, shift plus 4. It is moving in anti-clockwise direction. This is how we try step.